Hello, my name is Sally Holland and I'm the Children's Commissioner for Wales, and I've made this video for Super Ambassadors and for your classmates. In this video, I'm going to tell you a bit about being a Super Ambassador, a bit about my job as Commissioner, and tell you a little bit about your task, your special task for this term. So, welcome Super Ambassadors. Thanks so much for volunteering to be Super Ambassadors. I couldn't do my job without you, as I'm going to explain in a minute. I'm really delighted to have the chance to talk to you today a bit about what I do, but let's first of all say about what you do as Super Ambassadors. You have 3 jobs as Super Ambassadors. The first job is to make sure that other children in your school and the adults to learn about children's rights. And we've got lots of information for you on our website that can help you do that job well. Your second job is to make sure that you do the special missions if you've got time to do it. Each term, have a chat with your teacher who supports you to see if you can do this term's task. And the third job that you've got is to help other children and adults in your school know about the Children's Commissioner and what my job is and what I do. So the next thing I'm going to do is tell you a bit about my job so that you can tell others too, so that every child knows that they have a Children's Commissioner who's there for them. So to help you learn about my job, I'm going to show you 5 clues, and you can have a look at the clues and work out what I do in my job. So here comes the first clue. There it is. Should be quite an easy one, I hope. Can you see my big flappy ears? Yep, this part of my job, this clue shows that my job is about listening, and especially it's my job to listen to children and young people in Wales about things that are important to them. And as Super Ambassadors, one really important job you've got is to help me to listen to children and young people in your school. Here's the second clue. Can you see what it is? Yep, it's a megaphone. So the second clue reminds you and reminds me that it's also my job to speak up with children and on behalf of children to make sure that other people know about children's rights and hear what children have got to say. And I do that sometimes on the news, sometimes on reports, on my website and other places like that. Here comes the third clue. You recognize this? You might have one in your school already. This is a poster, and it's got all the 42 rights that children have got on the poster. It's my job to make sure that children and young people learn about their rights and know that every child, no matter what, has got human rights that support you to grow up to be happy, healthy, and safe. Ready for the fourth clue? Here it is. I bet you've seen plenty of these before. It's a phone, isn't it? And this clue reminds us all that I have a special helpline in my office which supports children who need help to get their rights. And some children can ring our office. It's a free phone number, but so can adults who might be worried about them. That could be parents, aunties, uncles, or teachers as well. You ready for the last clue? This one's a bit silly. I'm going to wear something. Can you work out what I'm dressed up as here? Silence in court. Yeah, I'm dressed up as a judge. And being Children's Commissioner doesn't turn me into a judge, but just like a judge, I have to make sure that people follow the rules on and the laws on children's rights. And if I find a law that doesn't quite fit with children's rights, then I'll go straight to the government and I'll say, please change that law so that it sticks with children's rights. So that was just a bit of an introduction to what my job is as Children's Commissioner. But do remember us as ambassadors and remind other people in your school that the Children's Commissioner and my team are here to support you. So I'm looking forward to meeting some of you online in October in our Super Ambassador events. And there's more information about that on our website. And in those online events, you'll be learning more about your special mission for this term. And that's all to do with well-being. Don't worry if you can't make it to the online events, because again, your special mission is all on our website and will be also sent to the teachers in your school. That's all for now. Thank you for listening and look forward to meeting some of you over the course of the school year. Bye for now.